Hello all, welcome to Healing Harmony. So, how are you all? I am fine here. Hope you are also fine in your own comfort zones. Okay, so today's video is all about a common thing that we all experience in our daily life. Most of the time, we want to be always positive, but there will be negativities around us, or sometimes we also feel negative because of some reasons. So, today's video is all about how to remove negative energy with a brilliant mudra. So let's dive deep into that mudra, about how to do it. What are the I'm also going to talk about some breathing techniques before doing the mudra, and about a laughing session, because negative energy comes around us when we feel stressed and we are having high anxiety levels and all. So when by doing some breathing exercises and some laughing sessions along with this mudra, we can completely remove negativity around us. Okay, so let's dive deep into that. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Please click the bell icon to get the notifications whenever I am posting new videos, and like my video. And if you feel like by doing this mudra your negativities are all gone and you feel happy and peace, then please do comment on it, because that can be an encouraging point for others also to practice this mudra and get benefits from it. So let's check about this mudra. This mudra's name is Kshepana Mudra. Yes, Kshepana Mudra is also known as the gesture of letting go. So we should let all our negative energies go from us, and then only we will be having that positive vibe within us, and our aura will start shining like anything. So we will feel like, yes, I am in a bliss and happy, peaceful atmosphere. So Kshepana Mudra, this gesture of letting go, this is a powerful practice in yoga that helps release negative energy, stress, and emotional burdens. Yes, what you heard is right. Emotional burdens. Most of the time, we feel like carrying a big bag of emotional burdens of our past things in along with us. That emotional burdens, there comes a point where we cannot hold it for long time. It becomes too heavy that we are in a situation to burst. Yes, we are not able to calm the situation. In such situations, you can practice the Kshepana Mudra and remove all the unwanted negativities and emotional burdens from your life. Yes, that is what we want, no? We want in life peaceful and happiness. So we feel like money can bring happiness and peacefulness in our life. For an extent, you can think like that, but of all that, it's our feelings and emotions towards life and towards situations, towards people, that make us feel like, yes, we are living in a happy, comfortable, and peaceful environment. So let's check about this Kshepana Mudra. So by combining Kshepana Mudra with specific breathing techniques and laughing yoga, you can enhance its benefits and promote a greater sense of well-being and inner peace. Okay, so let's check how to do breathing techniques to enhance Kshepana Mudra. First, we will do some deep breathing. Okay, for that, find a comfortable seated position such as Sukhasana, that is the easy pose, or Padmasana, that is the Lotus Pose. Or wherever you are comfortable, you sit there with your spine straight. Okay, so begin with the deep, slow inhale and exhale, or deep, slow breaths. That is, inhale deeply through your nose allowing your abdomen to expand fully. Exhale slowly through your mouth, visualizing the release of negative energy. Okay, so take a deep inhalation through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand, and exhale slowly through your mouth, visualizing the release of negative energy. Okay, do this for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, after doing this for 5 to 10 minutes, next you can do Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati or skull shining breathe. To perform this, you should do rapid forceful exhalations followed by passive inhalations. That is, you should exhale forcefully followed by passive exhalations. This helps in cleansing and energizing the body, enhancing this Kshepana Mudra's effect. Okay, so this you can do for few seconds. For 1 to 2 seconds you do Kapalabhati. Okay, that is forceful exhalations with passive inhalations. Okay, by doing that itself you will be getting a clarity, mental clarity. Okay, after doing this, next step is doing some laughing yoga. How to do that? First you should start with a small simple smile. That is, begin with a gentle smile and take a deep breath in. Next we have to start laughing exercise. Remember, this is an exercise, so don't worry about others. You may think that others may feel like we gone to some other extent. Not like that. This is an exercise, so have it in your mind and do this. So for laughing exercise, exhale with a hearty, exaggerated laugh. Allow the laughter to follow naturally and freely. Slowly the muscles get relaxed from the face. So repeat this for a few minutes, focusing on the sensation of joy and release. You can feel by yourself that feel good vibe will come within yourself. That is, you know that we will feel negative or in a bad mood when there is stress and anxiety, but with this smiling or laughing exercise itself, you can remove everything from you and you start thinking about positive things, and you will start feeling good whatever you are seeing, and feeling a good vibe with others also. So this is a very good yoga. Laughing yoga is very good. Before doing this mudra, Kshepana mudra, hope you are able to do laughing yoga. This is a very good yoga that can help you in releasing all the stress. After you are in that position, you can start doing Kshepana mudra. So for doing Kshepana mudra, you have to place your hands on your thighs, palms facing down. Interlock your fingers and then extend the index fingers, pointing them downwards. That is, place your hands on your thighs, palms facing down. Interlock your fingers, and only the pointer finger should be extending outwards, both both hands, and then extend the index finger, interlock the index fingers and pointing them downwards. Okay, place your hands on your palms, interlock the fingers except the pointer finger. It should be joined and it should be upwards. Okay, then close your eyes and focus on the sensation of energy flowing from your body into the earth. That is what you have to first visualize. That is, focus on the sensation of energy. You can feel the energy flowing from your body into the earth. Next, we check what are the benefits of Kshepana mudra. It releases negative energy. That is, it helps in releasing the accumulated negative thoughts and emotions, creating a sense of lightness and relief. It also reduces stress and anxiety. That is, promotes relaxation and calmness, reducing stress and anxiety levels. It also enhances grounding, that is, by directing energy towards the earth, it helps in grounding and stabilizing the mind and body. It also improves emotional clarity, that is, it assists in clearing emotional blockages, fostering a clearer and more balanced state of mind. It also boosts immune system, that is, regular practice can enhance the immune system by reducing stress related hormonal responses. Kshepana Mudra combined with breathing techniques and laughing yoga offers a holistic approach to releasing negative energy and promoting emotional well-being. By integrating this practice into your daily routine, you can experience a greater sense of peace, clarity and joy. Hope this video was useful for you. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will see in yet another video with a new topic that can help you in your holistic well-being. Okay, till then we'll see you next time. Have a good day. We'll see you in another video soon. Okay, bye.